Are you tired of clicking through Odoo's confusing menus and still not finding where to create a product? Learn to add a complete product with pricing in under 2 minutes. We'll start from the homepage, click through to Products, and enter your product details and pricing. Then, save everything with a single click. Start by navigating to the Odoo homepage, where you'll land after logging in. From there, open the Sales app from the main dashboard to get into the Sales module. Now, move to the top bar and click on Products to see the product menu. Then, click on Products again in the drop-down to open the full product list. All right, now click the New button in the top left corner to start creating a product. In the New Product form, type your product name into the Product Name field. Next, pick the product type that matches what you're selling. Now let's set the pricing, so go ahead and enter your prices. You'll see an Add a Price button. Click it to add a new price entry. Then enter your unit price in the newly appearing field. Finally, for this price, enter the minimum quantity that it applies to. Once all that's filled in, hit the Save button on the top left corner to finish. And that's it. Your product is ready. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.